Beautiful day to make a video on fixing a tractor. Snowpack has been cut in half from this warm weather. It is spring, and the river is now, or the driveway is now a river. The river is now a driveway. So the part came in last night, or the other night, for the tractor, which is stuck right by the greenhouse, of all places. We've got a road cut around it now. We got a lake out front there. So here's the new part, and it appears that I have to harvest the old grease nipple from the old broken part and put it on this one. And we have 4 bolts and 2 connection points, which I'll show you. Also got the new stop bolts that supposedly will prevent this. So here we are at the brake. This snapped. So I got to take off this housing, which is, I cleaned it up already. See how I brought out a brush? I got to take off these 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to take off this attachment here to this steering rod, and I also have to take this piece off. So I got to take this pin off. So when I get this all disassembled, 1, 2, and this, we'll come back and do a checkup. Alright, we're back. Okay, it's apart. I took this rod completely out just to make it easy, and another thing developed here. So I've also got this arm detached from here, and now I can put the piece in. So it's important you keep in all your parts as you go too. Now another thing, I got all 4 of these broke, so to take this off is just going to be a few seconds. So I'm going to take this off, put the new one on, but before I do that I have to take this nipple, this grease nipple, off of the old piece and install it onto the new piece there. Now here's a problem that I just ran into, and that's all the parts I've taken off so far. That this piece of cast iron from the broken part is stuck. It's stuck on here. It should just fall off, but it's not. So I'm going to take this up to the shop, soak it in WD-40 or silicone something, and then see what happens if I can tap it off. There's always a problem, and here's our only problem to finish this job, so we're going to figure this out, and I'll be right back with you. Boom! I did it. I got this little bugger off. With the thanks to help of Mark up from Niagara, somewhere up there. He's up in New York State. In my dealership, I was able to get this baby off. It's stuck right on there. So just a lot of lube and a lot of Moxie, and what I did was to screw this nut on to protect the thread, and then I bashed the crap out of it with a 5-pound sledge, and then it popped right off. It loosened. So we're almost done here. The new part is on completely. See, this is the broken off piece. Not anymore. And so all I have to do is put this remaining tie rod in here and bend the wheel back into place and put the final pin in, and we will have a wrap. Oh yeah, I got to grease everything. So, almost there. Lake swimwear. Take a look at those tires. I got some tightening up to do and some lubing. But we're back, baby. We're back. Probably needs a slight alignment, but we'll figure out how to do that later. Now we can drive. I also put on the new stop bolts. That shiny grade 8 bolt in there. Took a little over an hour, add an hour with the problem which was this piece stuck, and it's about 2 hours all alone. No help needed. To move the wheels, I just drain the hydraulic line. If you just detach this line here, still off the ground. If you just detach that line there, you can move the tires wherever you want and reattach it. Hope you got something out of the video. Cast iron upper steering arm replacement. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Share this with like-minded people. And thanks for everyone who helped fix this tractor. I just ordered my 250-hour service. That cost $300. It's coming next week. A lot to do. Spring has sprung in the mountains. Be safe. We love you.